Delhi's Jantar Mantar. We're going to get you the latest visual coming in from there. This is a candlelight vigil that has been held for the Hathras victim. The Bhim Army Chief Chandrasekhar Azad, actor Swara Bhaskar and Gujarat MLA Jignesh Mevani are staging this protest against the Yogi Adityanath government and the UP administration's handling of the entire incident. Several left-leaning organizations also joined the protest, raising slogans against the UP government over the Hathras horror. Earlier, Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi staged a dharna at the Valmiki Temple in Delhi. The Congress leader, who was stopped from going to Hathras yesterday, alleged Yogi government is not helping the family and is coming down where democracy is in question.
There are two kind of crimes that have taken place in Hathras and in other parts of UP. One, of course, is the rapes. But the other is the crime of callousness, of cruelty, and of, it seems, willful cruelty by the Uttar Pradesh administration, not just in their behavior towards the victims after the crime was committed, their very hurried and, I would say, criminal manner in which the bodies were disposed of against the family's wishes, and it really seemed like they were disposed of. It was not a dignified farewell for either the Balrampur victim or the Hathras victim. And now the manner in which the media is being treated, the family is being treated, and the opposition leaders are being treated. I think that the Yogi administration has lost the moral right to be to remain in Uttar Pradesh as the government. They should resign. They do not have any moral authority. They have been an utter failure. They have failed the women of Uttar Pradesh, the Dalits of Uttar Pradesh, and the citizens of Uttar Pradesh. And I think that we should make a demand for President's rule in Uttar Pradesh.
हमारी देश की ये परंपरा नहीं है कि उसका परिवार, उसके पिता, उसके भाई उसकी चिता को जला नहीं पाए। ये हमारी परंपरा नहीं है। सूरज को के अस्त डूबने के बाद किसी के अंतिम संस्कार नहीं किए जाते। परिवार से पूछे ऐसी चीज की जाए और हम सब चुप रहें, बहुत गलत बात है।
Those visuals that are coming in right now come in from Jantar Mantar. Mind you, today is also 2nd October. It is Gandhi Jayanti. And what you see on your television screens are visuals coming in support of the Hathras victim and the conflict that still ensues where Hathras is concerned. I want to cut across to my colleague Milan, who's joining me from Jantar Mantar. Milan, I want you to, give us perspective. What are we witnessing there? Is this an organic protest? Is this a left-leaning party protest? How many people are there in numbers? Give us perspective.
Well, Preeti, I have not seen a protest like this at Jantar Mantar at least since the pandemic began. And let me show you around. Right now, there are people here sitting on a candlelight vigil as well, if you could see in these visuals. And let me also show you that it's a sea of people around me. If you can see, there are people from all across. So on one side of Jantar Mantar, there is Bhim Army and Chandrasekhar Azad. And on the other side, there are left-leaning supporters like Swara Bhaskar. There is Yogendra Yadav who's come on the ground. There are people from the United Against Hate organizations. There are people from JNU and other left-leaning organizations as well. But Preeti, I have seen that there are citizens who are coming out to Jantar Mantar right now. And as you can see behind me, in these visuals, you will see that a candlelight vigil is also being done for the Hathras victim and their families. Preeti.
Again, I'd ask you, because, there's a lot which has been said that this protest is politicized. Are there people from regular walks of life who are not politically affiliated? Keep the left parties aside. Keep Chandrasekhar Azad. I know Arvind Kejriwal is going to come in at any time right now. But are there students? Is this an organic protest also? And can you get us reactions? Is it possible for you to do so for us right now?
Well, Preeti, as I said earlier, yes, there are people from all sorts of organizations, but there are people who are citizens who have come forward over here and who have decided to join the protest, some out of curiosity, some definitely out of the fact that there's not been such a protest in Jantar Mantar. And it's going to be a little difficult for me to speak to them right now. But certainly we have met people, like I have seen a lady who had come with her child to just see what the protest is all about. She had seen the Hathras victims' family on TV, and which is why, if you could see from the kind of crowd that I'm trying to show you in these visuals, that there are citizens who have come from normal walks of life as well. And if you give me some time, kahan se aaye aap?
Trained, I know you're shooting from your own camera. That's the reason why you aren't being able to get us reactions. But Milan, if you have to put a number on protesters, what's the number like?
फिलहाल मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, शादीपुर से।
तो यहाँ पर क्यों आए हैं प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए आप?
मैं ये जिस तरह से अभी हाथरस में जो केस हुआ है उसके साथ मनीषा, वो केस ये इस तरह से है कि जिस तरीके से उसके साथ क्रूरता के साथ और दमन के साथ उसके साथ बलात्कार किया गया, उसको मारा गया इस तरह से, मतलब अमानवीय तरीका है ये। किसी भी
आप अकेले आए हैं, किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ आए हैं?
मेरा कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है, मैं स्वतंत्र रूप से मैं आया हूँ यहाँ पे अपनी सहमति से।
अच्छा, यहाँ अपने दोस्त के साथ आए हैं आप?
नहीं,
अकेले आए। So there, Preeti, we are trying to speak to people who are telling us that they are citizens of Delhi who have come out just to support the protest that is going on in Jantar Mantar. I hope you could hear these in the words that this gentleman.
Milan, I want to stay with you. I know it's difficult. I know you're shooting this yourself. Try and get in more reactions and put a number. How many people at Jantar Mantar at this point of time?
Preeti, it's going to be difficult for me to tell you how many people, but if you remember how crowded Jantar Mantar used to be, there's no place to even keep 1 foot, because as I said, there are people here from all walks of life, and I'm just trying to show that to you, that people are here. Some are, sitting in candlelight vigils and protests. Some are just here, bystanders, onlookers, and perhaps about more than 700 to 1,000 people have just gathered on one side of Jantar Mantar, and that's a huge crowd because all the entry and exit gates at this place have completely been barricaded by the police authorities. So in one place we see that there are a lot of people around here, and as you can see, Preeti, if I could show you, these are the people who have come here from various walks of life, from various places, even citizens of Delhi here. Preeti.
All right, Milan, appreciate you joining.